Happy Nashville Ceiling Fan Day, everybody. It is September 18 of 2017. So it's Nashville Ceiling Fan Day. Somebody want you know what the Nashville Ceiling Fan Day is. And today we celebrate our fans as how great they are. And we do that in the ceiling fans, but we have to pour it in the fans too. So I'm gonna be running for the fans, the ceiling fans in my house, the Nashville Ceiling Fan Day. So, yeah. A lot low. Those are Clara. Not even a run high low, just low. And got the air conditioner turned off. Also before in the natural ceiling fan to do it, but you have to make sure but the air conditioners turn off. That way you can turn on the ceiling fan, so not turn on the air conditioner. So here's the Wilderness in the laundry room. I'll do the Palm Breeze in the living room. Those ones said it's medium. Here's the Cheshire. The light bulb is burned out of that, so I'm gonna fix them. And I might be doing the guest house fans, but I don't know. I think I'll do the guest house fans in a separate video. Anyway, here's the leg side too. Turn on some lights here. My sister isn't home, so don't worry, she won't catch me. Okay, here's the landmark in the laundry room. This one is so noisy, it used to be, but it's only so white noise, I know, but it's not bad, it's used to be, so I'm going to be the place for after all. My sister's Orchid Coke. It's on low. And it's my dad's Orchid Coke is new. It's new one. The news installed the house. It's right here. And it took us down or something. Okay. Right now. I don't know what. No. Not can do high. Because I'm not allowed to keep my fans from high. Okay, so it's pretty much sure, I guess. Happy Nashville Ceiling Fan Day. I hope everyone has a good one. And like I said, I do the guest house fans in a separate video. Mom's fan, and it's a Bring a Porch fan. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the guest house fans.